Welcome sa Filipino sa Africa.
Taking the stage next,
March.
Fairview Comprehensive International
Mamaya.
School with a graceful and synchronized movements of the
Hawakan mo.
Hawaiian folk dance,
Ha?
representing
Kahit
agricultural rituals.
depende sa'yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm round of applause for our performer.
Final way of folk dance is a vibrant and iconic cultural treasure of the Philippines.
Handang kusina.
Dance inspired by the
Mga 1 month to prepare tayo, no?
rhythmic steps and musical gestures.
March, hawakan mo na to.
Dito na sa Zoom?
One. Pag gusto mong i-cut ito, tapos pag start mo yan na naman.
Ay, okay ka. Next, CCR muna. Ha?
May modern kayo?
Wala na.
Itong next performer natin guys is from Woodrose International School.
Modern?
gitna daw ako. My God. Wait lang, katrabaho muna ako. May part-time ako eh. Si Mariosa. Go guys. Ikembot nyo.
What an energetic and creative
Sir, pwede
national. Woodrow's International School, you truly brought joy, movement, and
Ay.
national pride to life with that performance. Thank you for that colorful celebration. Another big hand for our dancers, please.
Mahirap naman ito, sir. Paano?
And finally,
Si Dex.
get ready for a high energy number from Sanana School.
Ay.
Performing a Filipino dance remix, showcasing youthful vigor and creativity infused with cultural flair. Let's welcome them. And with the Mahal kita, hindi ito portal. This performance is sure to bring smiles and showcase the creative spirit of youth. So get ready to be entertained. Let's welcome the dancers of Ranger International School. A big round of applause.
Girl, pero maganda yung pan natin.
Let's give it up for Ranger International School! Energy! Hey!
Hindi na... Hoy, girl! Yung position namin... Tayo mga to.
Energy, Miss Michelle!
Yung kinakanta kasi ang model masaya. Napapagod na yung kulot yun ah.
One-on-one and refreshing performance. Thank you to the talented dancers of Ranger International School for bringing joy, movement, and good vibes to the stage. Truly, mahal namin ang sayaw na ito. And that's Bola. Let's give them one more enthusiastic round of applause. We now begin with the final part of our program, Part 4, Community Time. First, let's come together in community singing, a tradition that reminds us that though far from home, our hearts remain Filipino.
Community singing is a beautiful expression of unity. It brings us together not only through melody, but through shared memories, values, and dreams. As we raise our voices in harmony. We also strengthen the invisible ties that binds us as one people, one culture, and one nation. May I please request everyone to please stand and let us all sing our community song.
Ano yung community song? Love. Tayo daw.
Ha?
Tayo. Ano yung community song? Ano yung community song?
May video? Ano may kamali? Ako.
Tatlo kong kamali, dalawang tayo. Mamaya tignan ko nga.
Saan mo sa akin?
Nakita ni Sir Luis yun.
Mr. Vincent Manalo, where you at? Listen this. Mr. Father Pananalan, where you at? Where you at, brother? Let's do this, come on. Mr. Vincent, you're up here. Maya, pagmamahal ang hanap mo. Pagbibigay ng halaga sa'yo. Nais kong kung sino ka man talaga. Ikaw, ikaw at ikaw. Sa mundo, kung ano ang kaya ko. Iba't ibang ikaw.
Wag ako ah.
Ito, basta magpapatotoo.
Talaga ay ako ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ako ang kaya. Ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Ipaki mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Gaga. Pinapaikot ko itong camera
Bago tayo magpapatuloy at muling manood ng isa pang sayaw, tayo po ay pipili ng isang maswerteng Pilipino o half-Filipino.
You don't know that, Auntie.
And let's
You never know.
right.
Then, name mo yan?
Okay, calling Mr. Yash Manduberry to please come up on stage and pick one.
Sana
Who's the
tingnan
lucky, lucky, lucky? Who's the lucky, lucky, lucky?
the lucky or maybe they are.
Mr. Yash?
Hindi naman yung mga nakalagay.
Mr. Danilo? We need a box. Mr. Danilo, we need a box.
Ayaw naman yata tayo tapos.
May mga names yun.
Mr. Danilo, we need a box. Okay, Mr. Yash. Here we go. You want to call the children? No, we want you to pick. We will let them pick it. But for now, we want you to pick. Okay, please. Alright, take one. Who's the lucky? Listen up.
Dexter Fernandez. Dexter Fernandez.
Please come on stage. Receive. Please, sir. Please.
At ikaw ang pinakamaswerte sa raffle draw na ito.
Yes, sir. Congratulations. Mr. Presley, the prize. It's the third prize. Congratulations, Mr. Dexter. He's receiving the third prize from Blueberry. It's a gold flat iron, not a gold bar. It's okay. Still on. Congratulations, Mr. Dexter.
I want blender.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back on stage the Fairview Community International School.
Winner! One down.
Ganda na ito, girl.
Show me. One down for Sanana School.
Girl, sabi nung kwan doon, ibibigay nila sa akin yung kwan, yung consolation prize, sabi. Oo nga, sabi nung siya atang sponsor doon. Sabi niya hindi yan dapat ang ibigay nila, dapat yung mga SPJ, sabi.
Ano daw? Narinig niya.
Fernando. Yes.
Fernando.
Maybe I'm your lost child.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up one more time for Fairview International School
And Colonial Victoria.
Ito talaga yan daw. O sabi niya, 24 karat daw. Girl, parang sinasweta na ako ngayon sa Sanana.
we draw this memorable celebration to a close, it is only fitting that we end on a meaningful note, guided by the words of someone who has been a constant and respected figure in both the Filipino and academic communities here in Mozambique. He has called this country home for over 2 decades, and during those years, he has made a profound impact, not just as an educator, but as a mentor, a leader, and a Filipino deeply rooted in service and excellence.
We continue to embrace these qualities as we strive to build a prosperous and inclusive Philippines. Let this day serve as a reminder of our shared heritage, our unwavering belief in democracy, and our collective responsibility to ensure that the benefits of freedom and prosperity are shared by all of us. May the spirit of independence continue to guide us as we work towards a better tomorrow. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Mabuhay ang Philippines! And happy Independence Day! May our hearts be filled with pride and our spirit soar with hope for a future filled with peace, unity, and progress. Magandang gabi and maraming salamat. Enjoy the night.
Thank you, Bravo Shah.
Maraming salamat po, Sir G, for that powerful message. Your wisdom and long-standing service and enduring love for both education and the Filipino community have made these days even more meaningful. We are truly honored by your presence and grateful for the way you continue to lead by example. Mabuhay po kayo hanggang gusto niyo at maraming salamat po.
Once again, we would like to express our sincerest gratitude to our sponsors and donors who made today's celebration possible.
Blueberry Travel,
Mr. Rio Menduan Digital Printing,
Sheila and Basilio Pereira family,
Mr. Nur Hussein Bella, FA,
Miss Marie Cordas,
Crystal Trading, Mr. Zia Khan,
Miss
Miss
Ashley
Elisa,
J. Victor, Miss Ha Young Kim,
and for the educational institutions na buong pusong sumuporta.
American International School of Mozambique,
Baitul ILM,
Colegio Victoria,
Ranger International School,
Princess Hirela International School,
Hamza International School,
Hollyoaks International School,
Maputo International College,
Maputo International School,
Fairview Comprehensive International School,
Salaman School,
Willow International School.
Young Jamai School.
Your kindness and support inspire us. May you all be blessed 1,000 folds.
From all of us at Philcomos, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayo at mabuhay ang Filipino community sa Mozambique.
What a beautiful day filled with culture, unity, and pride. Thank you all for joining us.
From all of us, thank you for being a part of today's celebration. Let us carry the Filipino spirit with pride wherever we may go. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Happy Independence Day!
Ang ganda din ng MC nila, in fairness, diba?
Before we enjoy the food, okay, eating first, I think. Okay, before we enjoy the food prepared for us today, let us pause for a moment of gratitude and reflection. May we now call on Father Carl Cabanana lead us in a short prayer to bless our food.
Magsitayo po tayo ang ating mabasbasan ng mga pagkain at ating sa kanalaman ng anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Ama natin mapagmahal at mapagbigay, lubos po kami magpasalamat sa lahat ng biyaya na kaloob niyo sa amin sa mahaging ito. Basbasan niyo po bawat isa na naghandog, naghanda ang mga pagkain ito na ating pagsasalungan. Naway kami lahat ay magkabuklod sa pagmamahalan, paglilingkod sa inyo, at lalo-lalo na sa aming pag-alaga sa mga kapatid naming lubos na nangangailangan. Ang lahat ng ito ay aming samang dalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus na aming Panginoon. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Bon appetit!
Bon appetit. Wait, there's more.
I-video ko kayo na nagchichismisan na naman kayo.
Okay. Alright, for the information of everyone, as we partake our food, we shall proceed to our raffle draw. Our people must prepare some exciting prizes for all of us. So for those who paid 320 upon the entrance, you guys are actually one of the winners tonight. Okay? So we have lots of prizes from perfumes, cutleries, beauty products. We also have household appliances and a trip to Japan. And our first trip to Japan or trip to Jerusalem. Okay? Okay. At this point, we'd like to call our former Philippines President, Mr. Joe Pactalunan, to draw our first lucky winner. Alright, Mr. Joe Pactalunan, dapat may manalo na kayo. True! Sir Joe. Okay, consolation prize to be drawn by Mr. Joe Pactalunan. Sir, please come on the stage.
Victoria is here.
Girl, you hold.
Okay. For our first consolation prize, courtesy from Joan and Kenneth. Happy Independence Day. This prize is courtesy from from John Kenneth. Okay.